How to create bullet points in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to add bullet points. Make sure the document is fully loaded before you start editing. Next, tap where you want to insert the bullet points or select the text you want to convert into a bulleted list. Then, tap the A icon with horizontal lines at the top of the screen to open a formatting menu. In the formatting options, scroll down and below the alignment section, you will see bullet point and numbered list icons. Tap one of the bullet point styles available from the options. Now, your selected text will convert into bullet points. If you want to change the bullet style, go back to the same settings and choose a new one. To add a new bullet point, just press enter after each line. And that's it. Now you know how to create bullet points in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.